what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided I would do one last Halloween makeup tutorial and I created this fun glittery butterfly look. Let me know what you guys think of this video in the comments down below, and I will be doing a voiceover just because I really needed to concentrate on all the details and everything. So yeah, just a little heads up, I really love this look. It's so fun, so different, and just like it's a 3D Halloween look, so I thought it was really cool. So yeah, let's get started. Hey again, so let's start this tutorial off. I primed my lid with this Tarte concealer. Now I'm going in with my new Kylie Cosmetics X Balmain palette. I love this palette. I am taking the Main Event shade to use as a base, and I'm actually using the Kylie Cosmetics brush that came with the Take Me on Vacation palette. Love that palette. But yeah, this is just a good brush just to blend everything in. Now we're going to start working the purple in, and we are taking this Attitude color, which is a pretty super lilac-y color, and I love it. Now I'm dipping into the Rivera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and taking a crease brush and going in with Palm. This really just defines the crease and darkens the look up. I do need like a dark purple shade. And then we will be holding onto this brush and doing one more coat of dark purple. This is the Kylie Cosmetics X Balmain purple shade that is PFW, and just taking what's left over on the brush that we used and going in and darkening that purple. Now taking the brush from the Rivera palette, we're just blending it out and making this look seamless, flawless, and just overall smooth. Bam! So now I'm going to be working on cutting out the crease. I am taking the Sails shade, which is like a white eyeshadow in the Rivera palette. I'm actually using a eyeshadow brush. I just basically put a little bit of concealer on it and then put the white eyeshadow on. Now to glitter this look up, we're taking this L'Oreal glitter mascara, and we're actually going to be using this as a base just to really intensify the next eyeshadow. This little shimmer action definitely makes me happy, but we are going to intensify this look with this shade right here. Oh no, what face I'm making, let's just ignore that and skip that. Yeah, now back to blending it out and making it perfection. Now we're going to move on to eyeliner. I did want to focus on doing like a dramatic wing, so that's what I'm focusing on here. It does take a little bit more of a concentration, a little bit of a task, but that's okay. I definitely think a dramatic wing like that was perfect for this look, just because butterflies do have long wings. Now mascara time. I actually found this mascara in my BeautyCon VIP bag, and I really like it, so I've been using it instead of false lashes. Now taking what's left over on the crease brush and doing our waterline. Now I'm priming my face with this VDL primer. It's like an illuminizing primer, so it's really good for getting that glow. Then I'm going to be taking my Chanel foundation. I am using the shade 40. And I like to break my face down. I find that this really helps my makeup look super flawless and super seamless. So I basically start with the forehead first, blend that in, and then move on to the other side of my face, slowly putting product, blending that in, move on to the last side of my face, and then blending that in. So I do break up my face into threes, and I feel like it's just better for a more flawless blended outcome. And then of course after breaking the three apart, you do blend it as a whole. Yeah, this is the new trick that I've been doing that I really love and really think has changed my makeup game. So yeah, thank me later. Now time to bronze me up. I am using the bronzer from Morphe in the shade Vlogger. I love the shade name, it's perfect for me, but also the shade color is perfect for me. So I basically just chisel out my jawline, my forehead, and then my nose. Then of course my chin and my neck, you do always want to make sure that you get your chin and your neck, just so that your body matches your face. Now before we blend it all in, we are going to be applying concealer. Again, taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I am the shade Fair. I really like to get in there and get precise, so I am taking that same eyebrow brush that we used to do the cut crease with. Now I like to highlight under my eyes, my nose, my lips, and my chin. Which leaves me with this lovely looking face right here. So we'll just do a bippity boppity boop. There we go, that's better. No, just kidding, but I figured that would be cute. However, I do want to show you guys how I actually blend out my concealer. And what I like to do is lightly pat, just lightly pat and tap it in, and then fully blend it out. Now I bought this glitter from Michaels, and I really suggest doing that because it was perfect for this look. Basically just taking eyelash glue and putting the glitter on with the eyelash glue. Super easy, and honestly the glitter from Michaels was like $1. But the glitter did get everywhere. Like it's in my carpet, it's on my table, it's in my chairs, it's in my hair, and it's like 3 days after. So you've been warned. Next I do need some highlight, so I'm taking the SKY Beauty Luna Skylighter and I'm applying it with my fingers and then blending in further with the foundation brush. Okay, so you could say the glitter got everywhere because I kind of decided to go crazy with the glitter, but I mean, we won't talk about that. So I basically just applied glitter where I applied the highlight on the right side of my face, and then I had some fun and put some glitter on the top of my eyebrow. And then again, I did get carried away with the glitter, so I also chose to just really go all out and find as many places I could glitter up as possible. I actually really liked how the glue and the glitter started to lay down everywhere. I really didn't design it a certain way, like I was literally just throwing the glue anywhere it could lay, and it turned out to look like a really cool, well thought out design, but I mean, that just happened on accident, and I'm really here for it, because look, it kind of looks like I got slashed, like someone slashed me and I bleed glitter. That's like the vibe I got. Is that the vibe you got? Just let me know. Yeah, the glitter was probably the most time consuming, but also the most fun, just because I love glitter, so that's why I went crazy with it. But yeah, you guys will see here, it's gonna look so cool, especially once I start applying the butterflies. Really, the whole idea here is to make the butterflies appear like they're either landing in glitter or like a glitter trail is following them. You'll really understand once I start applying the butterflies, like right now. Here's a butterfly. I am putting it on my forehead for the first one. As you can see, the glitter highlight is going up to where the butterfly is, so it's like it's a little trail. Next, I am going to be putting glitter on my chest just because I am going to have a butterfly lay there. You saw me at the beginning of the clip put the butterfly there just to make sure that's where I wanted him. I do recommend doing that just because you do get ideas off of like practicing where you want to lay the butterfly. So I definitely wanted to glitter this spot up just because the butterfly is going to be laying there, and that's what I did. Now I'm just gluing the butterfly to my chest and moving on to the next one. This one's actually going to go in my hair, so what I did for these butterflies, I actually took a bobby pin and stuck it through its body, which you guys will see me demonstrate right here. I am taking the bobby pin and just literally putting it through the little butterfly body. I swear, no butterflies were harmed in the making of this video, except for right now. Oops, I kind of applied too much pressure and broke the little butterfly, but I do try to do a little butterfly operation just to save his life and bring him back. But yeah, I'm not a surgeon, so I did not do that well. I did still try to use them in my hair, however, I don't know what I was thinking because obviously it's not working. I'm just going to set him aside and try to use him elsewhere. But hey, definitely A for effort. So anyways, I'm just going to attempt this again with the purple butterfly. I really wanted the blue and the purple butterflies and that contrast to go on. That's okay. Moved on to the next butterfly. This one is actually going to go a little higher up on my shoulder. Now I want to make sure that it's secure and glued in before I add this last butterfly. I do like the way it looks, however I did want to add a little more glitter, so that's what I'm doing right here. And then we're just going to check out the look and we do the last thing, which is lips. I'm taking my lip liner from SKY Beauty. This is the lip liner for Huntress, but the name is actually Sandy. I actually love this lip liner and I do use it a lot, so highly recommend. Now I'm going to go in with my bright purple shade. This is the shade Savage. I love the shade so much just because it intensifies any look. Even when it's worn by itself, it's perfect. Then we're just going to gloss up the lips a little bit, and I'm taking my SKY Beauty Co. Glitter Gloss in Icy. Look at how icy and glossy that looks. Like, that is freaking perfection. Love that so much, guys. Really do. Now that little butterfly I broke, see, I refurbished him. It's all good. So that is the look. Well, that is all for today's Halloween makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll be seeing you next time. Don't forget to subscribe because every sky needs their clouds. Alright, bye, I love you.